everybody! Did you know you can make a cake without even touching the oven? Today we're going to be making a microwave cake, and it's just the right size for you and a friend. The ingredients are simple. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter, a large egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 6 tablespoons of self-rising flour, and a pinch of salt. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can make your own. All you need is a cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of kosher salt. Let's get started. The first step is to melt the butter. Next, we're going to add the large egg. Now you're going to add the milk, vanilla, and sugar. Now you just need to mix it up. Let's add the flour and a pinch of salt. Now you just need to stir it till it's smooth. Can't stop! This recipe can make 2 servings. You can use any microwave-safe container. I'm going to use a mug and a ramekin. This cake is going to rise, so only fill the containers halfway full. Now it's time to microwave. I'm going to put them in one at a time for 1.5 to no more than 2.5 minutes. Start on the lower end, and if they're not baked, you can always zap them for 15 seconds more at a time. Wow, the mug looked like it could make 2 cakes. If you don't know if your cake is finished, here's an easy tip. You can take a toothpick and push it into the cake, and if it comes out clean, your cake is done. So what's a cake without icing? So today we're going to make our own homemade icing. This is the perfect size for our 2 cakes. You need 1 teaspoon of milk, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. Now just mix it until it becomes the consistency of icing. 1 teaspoon of milk sure does go a long way. The ramekin sure does make a good serving dish. Let's add some icing and maybe some strawberries. Now for the best part, it's time to dig in.